Cucumber, good for hydration, can aid in weight loss, often used in salads, helps freshen breath, low in calories, contains antioxidants, popular in cold soups, can be grown easily, comes in many sizes, has a crispy texture. Grow underground, versatile in cooking, good source of vitamin C, can be baked, fried, while parts of the nuts help family. Different colors exist: red, purple, stored in a cold, dark place. Do not legend, raw potato, green spurts mean they're toxic. Popular comfort food worldwide. Carrot. Carrots are Root vegetable, usually orange, but can be purple, white, yellow, or red. Good for eyes health. Vitamin A can be eaten raw or cooked. Sweet eatery originated in Afghanistan, popular in salads and swans, high in fiber. There are comes from wheat can stored in the litter. Right. Corn grain. It's a cereal grain, not a vegetable. Maize, maize, no as maize in many parts of the world. Tall stalks grows on the tall leaves. Stalks, edible parts for or the kernel on a cob. Sweet corn, eaten diligently by humans. Field corn, used for animal feed for products. Corn, popcorn, a specific type of explodes when heated. Instant crop, obtained in central Mexico thousands of a year. Used in food, fuel, plastic, etc. High in fiber, also contains B vitamin and vitamin C. Spinach. It's a leafy green vegetable. It's good for you. It can be eaten raw. It can be cooked. It shrinks a lot when cooked. It's often used in salads. Popeye, the sailor eats it. It has vitamins. You can find it in most grocery stores. It tasty, a bite, healthy. Broccoli, heat cycle. They have Eaten cycle in height. Bloomer, a bloomer used for breeding, filling, filly, a young family horse, not yet a mare, lead mare. Often the leader is wild head, protective, very protective of their floats. Pro- Product milk for their yogo. Toxically good mothers, just like grains for communal communicated with other nuts found in all horse bean brinjal. Addition skin is usually eaten native in to India, China. Many shapes comes in round, oval, long forms. No peeling needed. Skin adds nutrition. Popular in fried dishes. Holds up well to grilling. Mid flavor. Important mineral. Common name in Europe. Something stinted to reduce beetroot. Root veggies grow underground. Deep red, famous for its color, earthly taste, unique flavor, edible leaves. Green are also eaten. Healthy, packed with nutrition, good for blood, can help blood push. Natural dew stands easily. Sweet can be essentially sweet. Salad star great in salad, not in delicious roasted. Red chili spicy many characters. Fruit technically a fruit. Curse the heart. Vitamin C high in it. Dried, fresh, used both ways. Red color, red chilies are red, measured in Scoville units, popular worldwide, adds more that its heart can boost it. Bell pepper, sweet pepper, not spicy. No, many colors: red, yellow, green, orange. Fruit technically a fruit, crunchy, great texture. Vitamin C, plump, very high in it. Raw or cooked, versatile, no heat, legs, good for salad, adds color, stuffed